First off, just so you guys know, it has been a rough couple of weeks for me. Really a rough couple of weeks. So for those of you that know, I actually have celiac disease. So if I happen to eat something that has cross-contamination or is definitely something I shouldn't eat, it results in really bad inflammation. I mean, really bad. Now, sometimes I can, if I just have cross-contamination, I can deal with it. But I ended up eating a food that we thought was okay, but after further research, we found out it was definitely on the do not eat list, and I had been eating it for about 3 days. So it's been 2 weeks, and today is the first day that I have actually moved from my bedroom down to here, where I've actually folded out the couch so that I can just not be in the bedroom anymore, because oh my gosh, I'm about to mentally just lose it completely. But on a positive note, while I was hanging out in my bedroom, not moving, folks over at Insta360 actually sent me a package. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna sit upright. I'm gonna put my man panties on. Yep, man panties, and show you one of the things that they sent me. Now, one of the other things that they actually sent me was this, which I'm actually super excited for. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. Yes, did I have that upside down? Yeah, there we go. That one right there. Yeah, the Insta360 Mic Pro, which I'm actually using to record the audio for this right now. Yeah, the Mic Pro. So super excited. It did take me a little bit of time because I'm not a person who likes to go through manuals to figure out certain things, but I've got it all. So I am going to make a video, maybe a bunch of little videos, just kind of the proper way or how to set this up, because if you're like me and you're just like, I should just have to plug it in, or you're someone that has used other Bluetooth mics, or you've used the Insta360 Mic Air, this actually sets up and connects actually quite differently than those mics do. So there's a, I had or have the Insta360 Mic Air, so I expected it to be the same. Not really. Anyways, just so you guys can see, because this is cool. Hopefully you guys can see that. Look, Indian. Yeah, because it's got e-ink, which means you can put your own logo on it. Logo on it. And on here, because I got 2 of them, once I can open this. On the other one, check it. Look, it's my own little logo. What a fantastic world we live in. Okay, anyways, this is kind of what I wanted to show you, because outside of the X5, which I probably use the most is the X5, the second camera that I use a lot, and especially this summer, I do have a lot of motorcycle trips coming up, and possibly just some day trips and things like that, or weekend trips that we're going to go take, the vehicle out for just travel around for the weekend, things like that, because why wouldn't you? I've really tried to get in the habit of minimalizing, not bringing the big cameras, right? And honestly, I set up those big cameras in the studio, and that's kind of where they sit. But when I travel, I want something smaller, right, that I can put in the bag. So Insta360 sent me this. Check this out. Look at this. Yes, you guys see that right there? Hopefully you guys can see that. This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which is already awesome. This is their ultimate videography bundle. So it's not their photography bundle, but their videography bundle. And I really don't need the photography bundle. And I probably have the majority of the stuff that actually comes in this already. But the nice thing is, and the big thing for me, is that I'm not a person who likes, look, it's Lily. I'm not a person that likes to switch lenses a lot. Like once I get a lens on there, I just kind of set it and I just leave it for the day. So now that I actually have this and some of the lenses and another Ace Pro 2, I can kind of set them up to be specific use purposed, right? So I'm going to grab this one because I need it to vlog with, or I'm going to take this one because I want it to have an ultra wide, or I want this one because I want it to have that anamorphic feel, or I want, etc., etc., etc. right? So I think that's really cool. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys what comes in this right here. So of course I'm just hand holding it because I can't get out to the studio because walking is an issue right now. I don't even know if you guys can see behind me. I have like an old man walker. Monique went and got it for me because my knees were swollen up. So my knees were swollen up and my ankles were swollen up and my feet were swollen up like literal, like, I don't know, little like basketballs, footballs. They were not good. Anyways, this is this. Ready? Now, of course, you could probably buy this all just separately. I'm sure you could. Why would you not be able to? But it's nice that they sell it in the kit. So if you're just like, you know what, I'm going to get an Ace Pro 2 and I want it to have everything possible that I would ever kind of need for the Ace Pro 2 to be able to shoot full awesomeness, then this videography bundle is probably the way to go. And it's got one of these. You know, here's the other thing. Laying in bed for like, I think it's been like 14, 15 days. You lose a lot of, I want to say muscle mass, but I also weighed myself today, and in 2 weeks I've lost over 10 pounds. I don't know if that's good or not. Probably not, since I've just been laying, not eating much. Anyways, to start off this wonderful kit, you are going to get the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Yes. Now, I don't know if you can get this with the kit in both black and or white. My guess would be that you probably could. I do have a feeling this is the black version, which is fine because I already have a white version of the Ace Pro 2. But this, as you may be able to see in the bottom corner, this is the 2 battery or the dual battery bundle right here. So that's what comes in here, which also means that it comes with the 2 batteries, the standard mount, the mic cap, USB-C cable, and a quick start install guide. So that's number 1 right there. That's what it comes with. Then you're going to get all the little kind of adapters. Number 1, which is kind of the biggest part here, which is the Xplorer Pro Grip right there. So that's going to really give this that, you know, point and shoot style feel. So you and I, why does this keep doing that? That point and shoot style feel, right? So that I can actually have this mounted in here. To be able to have that zoom rocker, to be able to change modes, all giving it, again, that feel like it's a little point and shoot camera. Now, this says in the box, Xplorer Pro Grip Kit, 1 shutter button, 1 wrist strap, and it has a 3.5mm audio port cover if you so choose to put that, right? Then come the lenses. So number 1 is you're going to have your close-up lens. Now, I did a little review with these lenses over the winter, and this is probably one of my favorite lenses because with the Ace Pro 2, if you're going to use it for vlogging cameras and you don't have exceptionally long arms, what happens is it has a focal distance that's a little bit longer than what your arms are. So for most people, if you're vlogging, you're not completely in focus, right? You're slightly out of focus. This fixes that. 100% close-up lens. It allows that anything in kind of this area here, when you're holding it like this, you're now in focus. This, to me, the most practical, and I think if you're gonna buy any lens separately, this is the one I would go with for sure. This was my favorite. Then we have the cinematic lens. So this is your ultra wide. This is your one that's going to give you the lens flares. They're not huge lens flares, but they're there. They work. It also, for it to work properly, I do believe you have to put the Insta360 in a 2.35:1 mode. So it's a very specific mode for this to work properly. So you get that proper D-squeeze in there. So that's really cool. I like that. Then you're going to get that ultra wide lens right there, ultra wide. So if you are someone that wants wider, even though the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 shoots really wide, maybe you want wider, I may actually have this and mount it on my Ace Pro that is on my Ace Pro 2 that sits on my helmet. So I get that even more width. I think that would actually be really cool. I like that. Then you get a black mist filter. Yes, sir, black mist filter. Kind of helps you with that cinematic look, the black mist filter. This one here, I don't know if I would myself use this very much, but hey, maybe you would. So it's included the star filter. Yep, star filter. So that's also in the box. And last but not least, something that I got, but I never actually installed it, but I think I will on this one. And this is the flip screen hood. So of course on the back of your Ace Pro 2, you can actually mount this. So it actually folds down, but when you actually open it up, it gives you a hood so that you don't get light directly on the actual screen. So you can see it properly for composing, exposure, etc., etc. Right there. Boom, 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 boom. Can you tell that I'm a little excited to just be upright, that I'm talking to a camera? I don't know. It's a day. I still having problems walking a bit. My feet are still a little swollen, as well as my knees, but they've come down a lot for sure. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys what came in that ultimate videography bundle from Insta360. I am super excited to try this out more this coming summer. I now have 3 Ace Pro 2s. So my hope is, of course, is that I'll be able to set those cameras up with different setups. So again, I'm going to have one camera set up as my vlogging camera, which is going to have that close-up lens on it. I'm going to have one camera that's set up as my helmet camera, which will probably be the ultra wide. Give me that nice ultra wide field of view. And I'll probably have, I'm trying to think, I'm not sure if I'll leave one just standard. You know, I may, we'll see, just normal. Or I may put the actual black mist filter on one of them, because I do think that black mist can be kind of nice in regards to having that cinematic kind of feel to it. Gives you that cinematic properties that just a traditional lens doesn't have. Anyways, I'm going to pack this all back up again. I just kind of wanted to see what was in it. I just wanted you guys to know it's here. I also wanted you guys to know I'm still alive, just in case. This is my home for today. I do get the opportunity to go to the kitchen, which is close. I'm on the main floor, which means no more stairs. Excellent. And that's all. I should hopefully be mobile. Today is, I can't remember what day it is. Wednesday, Thursday. My hope is by the weekend I can somewhat move. Right now I'm wearing Crocs whenever I move because they're cushy on my feet. They're cushy, which feels nice. So I'm hoping by Saturday or Sunday I'll be able to walk without maybe support on my own. Wish me luck. That's I guess wish me luck. All right, guys. If you're interested in any of these, or if you have any questions on any of these, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to be spending some time, especially with this mic. Again, you guys have been hearing it for this video. And that's all. I'll see you guys next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Links down below if you want some Insta360 gear. And I'll see you guys next video. Later.